The council this matter?
No, that's not you. Your name holding this matter.
Then you see, why you squeeze yourself over there, all this space there?
This Honorable Court to amend the charges and hereby seek the leave to tender the amended charge sheets.
If granted, the council this matter?
No, that's not you. Your name holding this matter.
Then you see, why you squeeze yourself over there, all this space there? Well, how do you move? Yes, sir. Steps.
May it please you, for the prosecution and the accused person, A1 is represented my land friend, Mr. Friday Kagoro Roberts, on private brief.
A1. Is there two national? Danger.
Menya.
Who?
I.
Who the group who?
Focus so far. Yeah.
Yes, state your name.
Your Worship, this matter is coming up for reading of the charges to the accused persons. And Your Worship, this matter being an aggravated trafficking in children case, we pray for the protection of the victim. Your Worship, we pray that at the time of reading out the victim's name, we avail the charge sheet to the accused person's lawyers so that they can whisper the name to them. Your Worship, I'm citing section 11 of the Prevention of Trafficking in Persons. Sorry, it is now section 10 of the Prevention of Trafficking in Persons Act. And sections 11 and section 10 and 11 of the Prevention of Trafficking in Persons Act of 2009. And Your Worship, we are also relying on We're also relying on rule, and after the trial maintain the confidentiality of the victim and shall bring to the attention of the court the measure required of the protection and the defense to protect the privacy and confidentiality of the victim. Your Worship, the protection we are seeking is not reading out the victim's name in open court. We shall avail the charge sheet to the defense lawyers, defense team, so that they can inform their clients. Secondly, Your Worship, in case of any media houses, the name of the victim should not in any way, whether by print or electronic media, be disclosed.
Media were protecting the victim, we are not disclosing her names.
Natural light, Your Worship.
So I'm going to read, I'm going to actually take this matter.
Yes, Your Worship, we are cognizant of the fact
That's why I
that...
sent for the act, to be sure. Yes, I don't want to make it, so let me proceed.
Yes, Your Worship, maybe just a brief of May, before the revised edition came into force. The revised edition came into force on the 1st of July, and we cannot enforce it retrospectively. So we are relying on the sections that were in existence at the time the offense was committed.
You get my old They have not amended.
Sorry?
They have not amended.
We have actually amended.
Sorry, what I'm saying. Look at the old one.
Your Worship,
But I know your powers to commit.
A, in the old act.
First look at it.
Yes. In the old act. And then 5A creates the sentence.
Let me see what 5A.
Your Worship, it is not confusing. Three A refers to section 5.
As well, like that, as you discussed.
Me, because it's not great, but we're just going to discuss the law. We'll sit and agree and come back in a few minutes.
Most of that.
Dia